Hey everyone, Hassan here. Today I'll show you NETSH, a powerful Windows command line tool to manage Wi-Fi, IP settings, network adapters, and the Windows firewall. Let's jump in. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Some NETSH commands need admin rights. Type NETSH to enter the NETSH interactive shell, or run commands straight from CMD, but I'll go straight from CMD. Now let's check all the network adapters on this computer. Type NETSH interface show interface. This shows us every interface, like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or even Bluetooth, and their status. For example, you'll see if Wi-Fi is enabled or disabled, or if Ethernet is connected or not. This is very useful, because later when we disable or enable a connection, we need to know the exact interface name. Now the Wi-Fi tricks. Viewers always love these. These commands read Wi-Fi profiles already saved on your PC, so they work offline. This lists all Wi-Fi profiles saved on this computer. We can see each Wi-Fi password easily. Type with me. Replace profile name with the network name exactly. I'm going to use Habesha. Key equals clear shows the Wi-Fi password in the key content field. Only works for saved networks. Here the name of the Wi-Fi is Habesha and the password is down there. Export all saved Wi-Fi profiles to a folder. I'll create a folder in the middle, and you will see all the Wi-Fi saved in that folder. This will copy files of profiles on your desktop in a folder called Wi-Fi, helpful for backup or transferring profiles. Here, just like I said, I'll create a folder called Wi-Fi, just to save all these saved Wi-Fi for backup. All my Wi-Fi profiles are now saved in that folder. Easy. Now let's learn how to delete a saved Wi-Fi profile from your computer. Sometimes, old or incorrect profiles can cause connection issues. Replace profile name with the exact name of the Wi-Fi network you want to remove. For example, if your Wi-Fi is called Home Network, type NETSH WLAN delete profile name equals Home Network. Now let's see if it's deleted. After running the previous command, Windows will forget that Wi-Fi network completely, including the password. Here you can see that one of my Wi-Fi is gone. If the name has spaces, put it inside quotes exactly as it appears in the profiles list. Next up, viewing and changing adapter and IP info. Changing IP/DNS is system level, run on a test machine or when you have a plan to restore settings. This shows adapters, assigned IPs, gateways, DNS, and DHCP status. When you run it, you'll see a list of all your network adapters. For each adapter, it shows interface name, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, DHCP status, whether it's automatically getting IP settings, IP address assigned, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS servers. For example, you might see your Wi-Fi adapter with its IP address from your router and your Ethernet adapter showing a different configuration. This is helpful when troubleshooting network problems or preparing to change IP settings. Next, set a static IPv4 address. Change Wi-Fi to your interface name. It might be Ethernet. Use only on a test machine or when you know your network's IP plan. Wrong values can disconnect you. This sets a static IP address for the adapter. Replace adapter name with your exact adapter name from the previous command. The last three numbers are the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Let's restore DHCP if your manual changes disconnect you. These restore DHCP for the adapter, letting the network assign IP and DNS automatically. This command sets your network adapter to automatically get DNS settings from the router. Wi-Fi should be replaced with your exact adapter name, which you can check using NETSH interface show interface. Using DHCP for DNS is the easiest and safest option if you want your internet to work without manually typing DNS addresses. Let's reset our TCP IP stack. Type NETSH and IP reset. This clears and restores your IP settings to defaults. It's useful if your connection isn't working or settings got messed up. After this, we'll need to restart the computer. Next, let's reset the Winsock catalog. This fixes network issues caused by corrupted sockets. Just type NETSH Winsock reset. Then restart the PC. Let's try disabling our network adapter. This is like unplugging it without touching the cable. Type NETSH interface set interface name equals Wi-Fi admin equals disable. You can re-enable it anytime. Now we'll enable our network adapter. Replace adapter name with your real adapter name. Type NETSH interface set interface name equals Wi-Fi admin equals enable. This turns the adapter back on so it can connect again. Let's check our firewall status. Type NETSH add firewall show all profiles. This shows whether the firewall is on or off for domain, private, and public profiles. Now let's turn off the firewall for demonstration purposes. Type NETSH add firewall set all profiles state off. Be careful, this makes your PC more vulnerable, so only do it briefly. As you can see, Windows Security asks me to turn on the firewall. Let's do it now. To turn the firewall back on, type NETSH add firewall set all profiles state on. This restores protection for all network profiles. Let's add a rule to allow traffic on port 8080. This is useful for allowing specific apps or games. To remove a firewall rule we just added, type this command. That cleans up our changes. Let's check active TCP connections. Type NETSH interface IPv4 showtop connections. This shows all the open TCP connections on your system. Now let's view the ARP table. All the devices your PC has recently communicated with. Type NETSH interface IPv4 show neighbors. This is useful for network troubleshooting. Finally, let's check all network interfaces again to see their current status. Type NETSH interface show interface. As you can see, everything is good. That's a full NETSH walkthrough. Wi-Fi tricks, IP/DNS, adapter control, firewall, and troubleshooting. If you like this, tell me which part you want a deeper video on. Firewall rules, advanced Wi-Fi scripting, or automating NETSH with a batch file. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Hassan out.